Hello. Sorry. Yeah, I just wanted to discuss the factors that affect our component to load. So first thing is the layout mapping, custom setting, which is the page assignment. So when our detail component load, so it try to get the name of the layout that it needs to load. So it pastes these custom setting records. So I checked and there is all the possible combinations the page assignments are here. So when page will try to query the record, it will get the layout name, so this is fine. Second step is after the layout name, it also try to check if the layout is already saved. So it will just fetch the layout and so the second the object is the layout record here, the layout custom object. So first thing what came in my mind is, if user does not have the access to create a custom object layouts record, it will try to fetch the layout from Salesforce every time it load the custom object. So that can be a reason for the delay for other users other than system administrator. So I checked all the profiles that are here. So you see technology profile, sales agents, system administrator, and marketing user. So uh, these are all the profiles, and this is system administrator. And for layout, it got like read, create, edit, delete, view all modifies, view setup, and everything. So it got everything. For system administrator, everything is on. But for let me see which this is marketing user, is that it does not have any access for layout. Similarly, this one is sales agent. Sales agent also does not have like no access, and I'm not sure when these are set like no access, because when we come here and see like you see Randy Boom have created a layout. That means when Randy Boom opened a opportunity, our class have created this record to save its layout. Here you see layout mapping, that means which record it's connected to. So for this is for sales surgeon profile, and record type is thermal sales opportunity. So for this is the layout, and this is the backup of the layout that is saved by Randy Boom. So that means Randy Boom has created this one and he can fetch, and Randy Boom have profile sales agent. So all the sales agent profile users will use this record to show the layout, so that's fine. So now I'm not sure how this is created, because from the profile maybe there is a permission set that is assigned. I'm sure there must be a permission set. I haven't checked that, but that's okay. So let me close, because now this is not the reason for the delay. Okay, so third thing that comes in our mind is, the third factor is the actions, the number of actions that can like make the component delay in loading. But that can happen for every user, not just system administrator and other users. That's something strange. So I checked the debug log and where it is happening. So you see right here from the session id page loaded, these 5 6 logs are for our component, and I checked these ones. So from first, second, third, fourth, fifth, six, seven, eight. The first one is Google Map Info. So our component tried to get the map info, but the thing to note is that it is started from this time, like 23 hour 35 minute 52 second and 2 millisecond. So this is the time stamp you can see here, and it does not take it take like, here you can see 46 millisecond or something, so it's not a second. um, Second thing was that was loaded. Let me see. So the second thing is the layout. So try to load the layout. So timestamp is same. So it also take like few milliseconds, not a second. So the layout, and you see uh, it fetch the layout from the layout object. First it try to get the layout name from layout mapping, and then it try to get the layout JSON from here, from the saved record. Okay, so it got the layout. Now there are few fields that we call user fields, and for which we fetch its info from Apex server. So maybe like this is get field info for user, and it started at 53 because this one, the get layout almost took 1 second. So it started at 53, and this one and this call, which is also for another user. So this must be like created date field, and created by, and this must be modified by. So all these start at the same time at 53, and like in parallel way. So this also, so technically there are these three or four maybe, no, so three. That means owner ID field created by and modified by, these three debugs are for them, and they started at 53, all of them, and took few milliseconds, like 100 and something. So that's fine. Now next thing was our new functionality maybe is, so I'm not sure what for, maybe for the standard, the supported object or something, I don't remember, but it also like started at 53 and took 12 milliseconds, which is very less, so we can ignore this one. The major part is right here is get actions. So now we got the layout, like component got the layout and it will show the layout, but after that it try to get the actions and try to like re-render the component to show the highlights. It also started at 53. So from now on everything is happening in 1 second, like 50, the component loaded at 52 second and 2 millisecond, and now it is trying to load the actions at 53 second. Okay, and this log is big, and let me see, and I already like traversed whole log, but I just wanted to discuss. So here um, constructor exit, and right here it took like 1 second right here. So it came from 54 to 55. That's fine because not that big jump. I will look into it what is happening here, but here you see 55, and it started to get field type map, which is uh, we describe the schema, and if this is not well managed, it sometimes take a few seconds. So this is 55, and then 56 something, okay, 1 second, then 57, okay, 58, 59, and okay, 1, 2, so it's like 10 to 12 second already. 13, 13, sorry, yeah, 14, 9, 12, yeah, it's taking too much time. Here it is skips the logs. 27, 28, 29. So okay, so 29 and almost 30. Okay, so it ended at almost 30. So started at 35 minute 53 second and ended at 36 minute and 30 seconds. So it took almost 40 seconds. That's too much, because this one took too much time, and that can like actions can take too much time if they are user or profile dependent actions. That means they like there are 100 actions and all of them are like get calculated for that user or that profile. But if there are that much of actions, it should work same for the system administrator as well. Okay, so I will try to look into it and figure out why it's taking too much time for this user, which is a sales agent profile user, and I will also check for the system administrator and see how much time it take for the system administrator. Um, okay,